You spent thousands of dollars building the ultimate survival pantry, but when the grid goes down and you finally crack open those cans, you might discover your entire food supply is completely toxic. Buying in bulk is not enough. If you don't know the science of long-term storage, you are setting your family up for starvation. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today, we are exposing the 5 biggest canned food mistakes new preppers make. Let's go. Number 1. Storing in the garage. Heat is the ultimate enemy of shelf-stable food. Storing your stockpile in a hot garage or attic destroys the nutritional value and cuts a 5-year shelf life down to mere months. Store your cans in a cool, dark, climate-controlled space. Number 2. Ignoring acidic foods. Not all cans are created equal. High-acid foods like crushed tomatoes and pineapples will literally eat through the metal lining of the can over time. They have a significantly shorter shelf life than canned meats or green beans. Rotate them fast. Number 3. The single can opener trap. You have 500 cans of food and one cheap dollar store electric can opener. When the power grid fails and that cheap blade snaps, you are locked out of your own food supply. You must stockpile multiple high-quality, manual, gear-driven can openers like the Easy Does It. Number 4. Buying food you hate. The appetite fatigue trap. Beginners buy hundreds of cans of Spam or cheap chili that their family refuses to eat. In a high-stress survival situation, forcing down unfamiliar, unappetizing food destroys morale. Stockpile what you actually eat. Number 5. Failing the FIFO method. First in, first out. Amateurs shove new cans to the front of the shelf, pushing the older cans to the back, where they expire and rot. Build a gravity-fed can rotation rack so you are always consuming your oldest inventory first. Stop wasting your money and putting your food security at risk. Fix these 5 biggest canned food mistakes new preppers make today. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore food stockpiling tactics, and I'll see you next time.